Today I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, this platform makes it easy to showcase and sell your creations. Start by heading to Gumroad and logging in with your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Products and then New Product to start creating your listing. Give your product a catchy, descriptive name and select Digital Product as the type. Set your currency and price carefully, then click Customize. Here, add a compelling description that highlights the value of your product. Upload high-quality visuals like a cover image or video and include any additional details that help buyers make a decision. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue, upload your files if needed, and hit Publish. And just like that, your product is live and ready for the world to see. Start sharing your creations and watch your digital business grow.